Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. I'll teach you how to use Slack for beginners. Slack is a team communication tool that helps you collaborate through messages, channels, and file sharing. It is widely used for organizing conversations and keeping work in one place. Learning the basics will help you navigate and use it efficiently on your computer. To begin, download Slack. Go to the official website of Slack or Microsoft Store and install the Windows desktop app. Launch the Slack. Once installed, open Slack from your Start menu or desktop shortcut after installation. Sign in or create an account. Enter your email and follow the prompts to sign in or join a workspace. Join a workspace. Use an invitation link or workspace URL provided by your team. Understand the interface. The left sidebar shows channels, direct messages, and apps. The main area displays conversations. Join channels. Go to the channels and browse or search for channels to join relevant discussions. Send messages. Type your message in the text box and press enter to send it. Use direct messages. Click on the teammate's name to start a private conversation. Share files. Click the plus or paperclip icon to upload and share files in chats. Use mentions. Type the at followed by a name to notify specific people. React to messages. Hover to the message to reveal the emoji to add reactions instead of sending you messages. Search conversations. Use the search bar at the top to find messages, files, or people quickly. Customize notifications. Adjust notification settings to control alerts and avoid distractions. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.